There's Ogbono soup and there's great Ogbono soup. I'll be making great Ogbono soup today. Welcome. I'll be using goat meat, Ponmo, crayfish, stockfish, dry panla fish, Ogbono which I ground at the market, salt, habanero pepper, palm oil, onion bulbs, stock cubes, Uziza seeds, Okpeyi, Uzuza leaves and ugu leaves. In your pot with the goat meat, wash and add the stockfish so they will get soft together. Add a teaspoon of salt, onions, stock cubes and a cup of water and set to boil. Cut the Ponmo into any size you wish. I added the Ponmo into the pot of boiling meat because it was hard. Grind the pepper and crayfish together. Wash and debone the dry panla fish. Break into smaller pieces. When the meat is well done, add the panla fish, pepper, Okpeyi. This is how Okpeyi looks like. I always have it dried and ground. I prefer putting very little quantity because too much turns your soup black. Then my dried ground Uzuza seeds, stock cubes, 3 cups of water. Stir and put back to boil. This my Ogbono I should have used my dry meal to make it finer before putting in the fridge yesterday. But as you can see, it tried to disgrace my culinary skills. If it's very fine, just mix with palm oil and add into your boiling soup. But I had to put it in the blender and blend to make it smoother. Add the Ogbono into the pot. Allow to cook for about 8 minutes, but just keep checking your pot so it doesn't get stuck on beneath. If the thickness is too much for you, please add some more water. Add the Uzuza leaves, stir, and add the ugu leaves. Stir for about 20 seconds. And our great Ogbono soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.